If you need a rugged label printer that can keep up with demanding workflows, the ZEBRA ZT411 is worth a close look. This is a 4-inch industrial thermal transfer printer built for businesses that need speed, consistency, and reliable connectivity. It supports USB, serial, Ethernet, and Bluetooth, so it can fit into a wide range of setups without much hassle. First, the build quality is what you'd expect from an enterprise printer. The ZT411 is designed for manufacturing, transportation, healthcare, and retail, where labels need to print accurately and day after day. It feels like a workhorse, not a desktop gadget. Second, it prints fast. At up to 14 inches per second at 203 dpi, it is built for high-volume label jobs. That means less waiting, better throughput, and a better fit for operations that cannot afford bottlenecks. Third, connectivity is a major strength. With USB 2.0, RS-232 serial, Ethernet, and Bluetooth 4.1, integration is flexible. Whether you're connecting to a workstation, network, or a more specialized system, it gives you multiple options. Fourth, this is a thermal transfer printer, so it uses a ribbon to create durable labels. That's great for labels that need to last, but keep in mind the ribbon is sold separately. It also supports compatible rolls with a 3-inch core and up to 8-inch diameter. Fifth, it's practical for saving time and reducing waste. On-demand printing helps you make exact quantities instead of overprinting, and its Energy Star approval is a nice bonus for businesses watching efficiency. Overall, the ZEBRA ZT411 is a strong industrial label printer with excellent speed, flexible connectivity, and dependable build quality. The main downside is that you'll need to budget for ribbons separately, but if you need a serious label solution, this one delivers.